Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your Bank of America employee account. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, heading towards your default web browser. For now, I am using Google Chrome. In the above search bar, type in employee login Bank of America. You can find out various of links in the interface, but for now, we have to click on the second link in the interface, which is sign on. After clicking on that link, you will head towards the new login web page, and where you can, after inputting your standard ID and password, just click on sign on and you will be logged into your employee account. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channels and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any update. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.